Welcome students in class 6 subject science. As we have started chapter number 7, the world of living. So today we will discuss about the characteristics of living things. Our third characteristics of living things is living things need food and water. Students, all living things need food and water for growth. The mode of taking food varies from one group of living organism to another. Green plants synthesize their own food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by the process of photosynthesis. Students, all of us know that different living organisms adopt different methods for taking their food. Green plants are autotrophs because they can prepare their own food, and animals and human beings are heterotrophs. They depend on plants for their food. Animals are dependent on plants for their food. Many animals eat other animals for their food. A few animals take food in liquid form, whereas majority of them take it in solid form. Students, the conclusion is all living organisms, whether they are plants or animals, need food and water for the survival. Green plants can prepare their own food by using carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, sunlight, and animals depend on plants for their food. Next characteristics of living things is living things respire. Living things respire. Students, it is an important characteristics of living things. In animals, including human beings, the process of respiration takes place throughout their life. Plants also respire. They break down the food prepared during photosynthesis with the help of oxygen that they breathe in to release energy. Like animals, plants also give out carbon dioxide in this process. Students, all of you know that photosynthesis process takes place in plants, but some students don't know that respiration process also takes place in plants. As we take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, similarly, plants also take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide during the process of respiration. But the difference is that photosynthesis process occurs during daytime only, but respiration takes place both during daytime and nighttime. Next living characteristics is living things move. Means living things can move from one place to another place. That is the characteristics of living things. Movement is another characteristics of living organism. Most animals move from one place to another in search of food, for protection, and for their other needs. Movement can be clearly seen in animals. Plants are fixed at one place, however, they also move in response to light or gravity. This movement of plants is not easily noticeable. Students, living things can move. That is the characteristics of all living organisms. Plants and animals both are living, but the movement from one place to another place is observed only in case of animals, not in plants. Then, how we can say that plants move? With the response of light and gravity, plants move. Their leaves show movement. This is the characteristics of living things. Next is response to stimuli. This is also a characteristics of living thing. All living organisms respond to different stimuli. Stimuli means reactions such as touch, light, heat, and sound. Animals like earthworm move away from light and saline media. Students, living organism टच, लाइट, हीट एंड साउंड से क्या करते हैं, डिफरेंट रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अर्थवॉर्म है. अर्थवॉर्म लाइट से दूर रहता है. ज़्यादातर अर्थवॉर्म सेलाइन मीडिया एंड डार्क रीजन में रहते हैं. प्लांट्स ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्ड टू डिफरेंट स्टिमुलाई. द टिप ऑफ ए शॉर्ट सिस्टम टेंड्स टू मूव टुवार्ड्स लाइट. आप सभी ने देखा होगा प्लांट का जो शूट सिस्टम है, उसका तन है, वो हमेशा लाइट की तरफ ही बेंड होता है. द ड्रॉपिंग ऑफ ए लीफ ऑफ ए टच मी नॉट प्लांट इज़ ए रिस्पॉन्स टू द टच स्टिमुलाई. आपने टच मी नॉट प्लांट देखा होगा. जैसे ही हम उस प्लांट को टच करते हैं वो मुरझा जाते हैं, और जैसे हम टच नहीं करते तो वो खिल जाते हैं. इट मीन्स वो प्लांट किसको रिस्पॉन्स करता है, टच को. सिमिलरली अर्थवर्म किसको रिस्पॉन्स करते हैं, लाइट को. सो दिस इज़ द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स. थैंक यू.